Recently, the Indiana House decided to remove some funding for some CTE courses. In House Bill 1001 on lines 41 through 46, page 133, it outlines new criteria for funding a school's CTE courses. Unfortunately, this proposal calls for several classes to lose their funding. This means our Career Center may not be able to offer some of its classes to the students. Today, we set out to ask many of the students of WCHS what they thought about the matter. Many of these classes seem to be crucial in preparing students for their futures. Students know that these classes will set them up for success.
I am taking business law and ethics, principles of business management, and intro to accounting because they're very interesting classes, and they're classes that I feel like you'll need at the college level or later on in your life.
I think these classes are important because they give you real life experiences, and I think that's really important, especially for high school students, just to be able to go into the world and already be prepared.
I think CTE classes should be taught because if you need that career or want to do that career, it's very helpful.
I'm in business law and ethics with Waldeck. It's important to me because what we're learning is really interesting and it might help me in my future career.
And it's not just the courses preparing you for your job, but many students take away valuable life lessons from these classes. For culinary arts student Tyler Barber, he says that the class will prepare him for cooking in college.
I've learned a lot of valuable skills here in the culinary art program. I've learned a lot about leadership and how to cook just more complicated dishes than you would at home, than microwave meals or mac and cheese and stuff.
I've really learned how to improve myself and how to become a leader and show other people how to do something when they need it, and just step up and try to make myself better every day.
A 2015 survey found that 70% of college students ate fast food for at least one meal. Without the knowledge of learning how to cook or knowing how to make a variety of dishes, many students were forced to resort to eating fast food or junk food. Not only does this wind up being more expensive, but it also increases potential health risks. But with the help of the culinary arts program, students are learning how to cook their own food. That way, they're prepared to make healthy meals when they move off to college. And there is even a wide variety of classes offered. As Piper put it, there's something for everyone.
I think that the class should be taught because lots of people have different interests, and it's good that the school caters to lots of different things, and they should continue to do that.
I think these classes are really good to be taught at the school. They show a lot of kids what they want to do in life before they go to college and invest a lot of money into it. And I think it's just a good opportunity to get all your some college credits here at the school while also doing something that they enjoy.
If these classes weren't offered, many students wouldn't know what they'd want to do in life. Without proper equipment, learning skills on your own can be hard, says Avery Metzger.
If the school didn't offer this class, I really don't know what I would have done. I probably would have tried to follow tutorials on YouTube, but it's hard when you don't have the proper equipment at home. School has really nice computers that we can use, and they also pay for the software so we can use it at school and at home because Adobe has that feature. But if I didn't have the class here, then I probably don't think I would be learning Photoshop or any Adobe programs.
Without funding, many students are going to simply miss out on valuable opportunities that'll help them become productive citizens later in life. Progress may become halted, career opportunities might be altered, and lives could be changed. To voice your opinion on the matter, please contact one of our House representatives or senators on behalf of the many students like me that rely on these courses. So, the choice is clear. Without a doubt,
We need to keep CT classes.
I definitely think we should keep CTE classes.
Yes, you should definitely offer CTE classes.
Yes, I think that we should continue to offer these classes.
We need to keep CTE classes.
we need to keep CTE classes. For WACC TV, yet another class that's set to be defunded. I'm Lincoln, signing off.